Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Black Crystal Horn in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a crafting table, like this one right here in Liyue Harbor. Go near it and then press F to interact, like so. So here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Scroll down until you find Black Crystal Horn, which is right over here. Click on it. So the crafting materials required are 3 black bronze horn. If you have this in your inventory, just click on the craft button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. So to craft this, it is gonna take 125 more. Click on the confirm button right here, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!